Lucky, we are all packed and ready to go. But first we have to drop off Lucky at my mom's. Guess who's a new man?
I can breathe.
He was very congested, and at first we have this at home, this nasal spray, and I was like, oh, this will work. But then as I was reading it, it's for if you have dry nasal passages, it's to moisturize it, but his was congested. So we stopped by the gas station when we got energy drinks, and I was looking around and found this, and it's actually a decongestant instead, and it's up to 12 hours. So hopefully it lasts that long. And he got these really chunky gummy worms. It's by his side.
Gummy bears.
Or gummy bears. Look how chunky that is.
Pretty big, yeah.
They're pretty good, and we got energy drinks.
Well, this is great.
We're 3 hours away, so we'll be there around 5:30.
Look where we are.
Yeah, we're in Kalamazoo. We're in Portage. Oh, I can't see the sign from here yet. Ian has family here, actually. The weather got worse.
Not real bad.
Yeah, it's a lot of snow here. And when we were on the freeway, there was like everyone was stopped with their hazards on. I thought at first it was just trucks, but even the cars were stopped.
Let the criminal justice system do its job before we make any comments on the alleged crimes. But like, if you walked into a house and they had 1,000 of any
3 cars already swerve a lot.
Spin.
Yeah, and spin. There was a car who was going the opposite direction in front of us and almost hit the car behind us because they were going pretty fast on a turn.
from us. Go check it out right now.
We're here.
I've never been here when it's at night.
I also haven't been to Chicago in years. So this is pretty cool. It's like seeing it again for the first time. We made it. Okay, give us a small tour.
It's the road.
Parking is valet only, so which is fine. And then they bring us our car when we do. Let me show you the view, guys. Look. And you can see their bathroom from here.
Perfect.
Alright, look at this pretzel we ordered. It's huge. We're at this bar. Really good.
It's really hot.
A lot of salt.
Maybe not party that.
We're at this bar. Very busy, but good vibes. Alright, our food got here. My insufficient chips. And he got the Mac Piggy.
Got bacon, sausages on it.
That smells really good. Alright, out of 10, what would you rate Emerald?
7.5.
Yeah, pretty good. It was busy today. There was a holiday party. We're gonna put our food away since our hotel is across the street.
I mean, out of the thousands, pretty good. What do I guess? Clark? I need a stocking. I need everything. getting cold. I need to talk.
Look how huge this Macy's is.
I wonder what's up there.
You can go up. Yeah.
Okay, chips. Look at my scarf.
We went to Primark. $7 compared to Macy's, so it's gonna be like 15. Now we're getting chips before we go back to
You get what we want.
We're back at our hotel.
Yeah.
That was a nice walk though, I liked it. But now we're back to our Food Network. And we got free hot chocolate.
Oh yeah.
So we can snack, relax,
This is for a few.